I never thought that buying something inside Emmanuel, Vittorio, and Milan is just easy without having appointment. Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back. Here's Lily again, and I am back with another unboxing. As you can see, this is again this orange, how do you call this, bag. And yeah, it was a long due because I bought this piece in Milan when I was there last September, end of September. We have now November. I hope they don't still have the price increase. And yeah, that's why I get this one, because I am eyeing for this piece since I don't know when, but I'm always thinking of, do I really need that? Is there other alternative? And yeah, I decided now to get it without doubt. And yeah, this is it. I already put the ribbon out for sure. Yeah, and this is this Louis Vuitton. This is it. This is the monogram reversible woman's belt. Yeah, it is in monogram. This gold buckle is detachable, so you can wear it in both sides. It is in, of course, monogram, but inside is real leather. As I've seen a while ago, where is it? It is written here. So this is the exterior is a coated fabric and the interior is bachata leather. Yeah, and this is in size 30. Why this one? Why the small one? Guys, I am petite and I had always buy or bought the wrong size. And I think this is the right size for my small, body build. It is 30 and 75. Because, as I said, I am centimeter, okay? And this is 30 millimeter bright and 75 centimeter long. And this is the last one I think I want from Louis Vuitton, because I'm not getting any younger. And yeah, some people will say, why do I collect them? Guys, I'm not collecting them, I use them. But as I said, nowadays I am thinking of not buying so much anymore from the high-end brand. But that means that I don't love them. Sure, I really love them, but we're not getting any younger. We have to save. And this is it. This is the last one, which I think make me complete in terms of having high end. For others it is not expensive, but for me it is expensive because I have kids. They are still going to school. Yeah, we have mortgage, other things to pay. And we also want to go to holiday. Yeah, sure, I would love to have them when I go to holiday. So, and this is it, guys. This is really nice. You see, I'm wearing this one. Yeah, right? Let me show you a little. So, when I wear this, like this, of course, you just imagine I don't have this other one, or let me take it out, okay? We took it out. This one, this is detachable. Yeah. Just imagine I don't have this, and I will just use this. It gives another extra chic look. Yeah, so this is it. Yeah. Just imagine I have no ring there. This is just a good one. Is it? It gives touch, a different kind of touch. I cannot explain, guys, but so it is. So not that I am wearing this, I want to reveal you something. I am so happy because this, I've got another sample of perfume. Yeah, so it is. I don't expect anything. I also never ask for any samples. And yeah, I've got this afternoon
Swim?
and the other one is, of course, it's all eau de fafon. And the other one is the rose de Benz. I don't know if I say it right, but I know how to say eau de fafon. So guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you stay. And if you're not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell so that I will be more motivated to share you some of my quirky living here in Germany. Your Mamshi. Bye and God bless.